Never before have I seen one person's video cause ripples amongst the Facebook groups, my inbox, my DMs. And the video that I'm talking about is Mr. Sean Rakidzich's YouTube video, which is very nicely titled, "This Site Could Destroy Airbnb." Now, I'm all for a video like this. It's beautiful and I love to see it, but I needed to record this because there are a lot of people that are posting in Facebook groups, coming into our Facebook groups, sending me messages saying about Google Vacation Rentals. So the video starts like this.
Your short-term rental in 2023, that's not Airbnb.
Really, I mean, Sean is probably one of the best in terms of production, video. He knows what he's doing. The video, if you haven't seen it, is over on YouTube. This Site Could Destroy Airbnb. Go and check it out. 12 minutes. But what he talks about in here, just to give you a little summary. Let me see if I can cut to it where we go through it. But here we go. Google Vacation Rentals, which is in here. Now, there's a lot of things that we need to cut into this. But as the title says, how to get listed on Google Vacation Rentals. Now, Google Vacation Rentals is nothing new. If anybody has been following this channel for a while, let me just quickly share my screen here. This was a video that I did 7 months ago, the difference between Google Vacation Rentals and Google Business Listings. Okay, in this office, we went through it. We went through it in detail. We shared screens. So Google Business Listing, that for the world of short-term rentals, that is disappearing, and that is disappearing quick. If you've got a Google Business Listing account and you've got your short-term rental accommodation business on there, and when I say short-term rental accommodation, this is basically anywhere that hasn't got a front desk, hasn't got a physical somebody behind the desk to check in, then you will have your listing removed. It is being delisted, and it is happening automatically. As far as I'm aware, you don't even get a message. It just happens. So they are removing you from that, and they are pushing all short-term rental accommodation to Google Vacation Rentals. And again, if you want to know the distinct features between two, go and check out the video. Just type in the difference between Google Vacation Rentals and Google Business Listings, Boostly. Just type it into search and you'll find the video. This video is to show you exactly how to get listed on Google Vacation Rentals. And it is super clear, it is super obvious, and it is super straightforward. And I've been given word from very high up sources that this is going to be how it is going to be. There's not going to be any workaround. And to sort of burst a few people's bubbles, I'm afraid that the only way to get listed on Google Vacation Rentals is via your property management software or a channel manager, whatever you want to call them. You have to be a Google Vacation Rental integration partner and a connectivity partner. And just to give you a bit of an idea on, you may be thinking, well, I want to become a connectivity partner. To get on this program, you need to have at least, let's just say 10,000 listings. Okay, it has to be quantity because they don't want to work with everybody. They just want to work with the few that's going to give them the data, that's going to give them the inventory, that's going to give them the listings. Okay, so the easiest way for you to get listed on Google Vacation Rentals, and again, I talk about it in here and Sean talks about it here so well, is that there are going to be a lot of people that will start their search or still start their search on Google, and they will go to Google Maps. They will go and ask Bard, which is obviously going to be the generative AI bot, and they are going to be picking their results from Google Vacation Rentals. So if somebody comes in, so if I, for example, in a couple of months' time, will speak to my device and say, hey, Bard, I'm going to be going to Orlando. I need you to find me a place that's no more than 20-minute drive from Disneyland, Disney World. I've got to sleep 6 people. It's got to have a pool. It's got to have X, Y, and Z. It will pluck results from Google Vacation Rentals, right? It's not going to pluck it from Airbnb. It's not going to pluck it from Verbo. Why would it? It wants to give it the results that it is going to provide. So to be on there, you need to be one of those connectivity partners, one of those property management softwares. Now, if you want to find this support question, just literally type in Google Vacation Rentals Partners, okay? Do not get fooled by this, hotel prices. It's not that. They are rewording everything. So if you don't see your property management software tool on here, then you cannot get added in. It's as simple as that. Now, if you are with one of these, congratulations. There is a very high chance that you've already been listed on there and not been made aware. Most property management software tools right now, they are adapting their portfolio, their property, their product to be able to get you on there. Now, you may be thinking, fantastic, this is lovely news. I'm going to be getting tons of direct bookings. I'm going to be getting tons of people finding me on Google. This is great. Or I'm going to go in and I'm going to amend it right now. How do I log in? How do I amend it? Well, this is the bad news. If you've got a Google business listing, you will know that you can go into it and you can amend the pictures, you could amend the copy, you could post an update, you could put offers in, you could do all the cool things that a Google business listing allows. Now, with Google Vacation Rentals, you don't get that. You don't get that benefit at all. The information that is in your property management software tool is the information that gets synced to Google Vacation Rentals. Now, let me just share my screen for a client that we've been working with this year, and I'll give you an idea of how it looks, right? So we're in here now, and I'm going to just zoom on in so you can all see it clear as day. If I scroll down here, you'll see it'll say Airbnb, Booking.com, Vrbo, Google Vacation Rentals. Okay, so the information that gets synced through is rates, bookings, availabilities, automated messages, create listings. That literally is it. There's nothing else that you can go in and do. And whatever information that you have on your listing within your property management software tool is the information that is being sent out to Google. You don't get to change anything. It is literally what is on there is what is seen. Now, this is a big letdown. And from the top sources that I've been speaking to, from what I am aware, that's never going to change, because this is the main difference between a Google business listing and a Google vacation rental. They just want the same information to go in. And obviously, they're not going to be, well, they want to direct it back to your direct booking website, which is really key to have a direct booking website, which is beautiful for the direct booking movement. But for me, what would make this product fantastic and what made me want to talk about it more and create videos on this would be for you to be able to go in and edit it, but you're not going to get the opportunity to do so. And again, the client, I've gone and found the listing, and I've seen reports in Facebook groups saying Google have been pulling in some random places, random results, ones that aren't even open anymore, etc. And it's just not there right now. So for the amount of people that are worrying about Google Vacation Rentals, for the amount of people that are going, how do I do X? How do I do Y? I've had people messaging me saying, I'm on Boostly website. How do I get on Google? This is me recording this video to say, you don't have the power. You can't amend it. You can't dictate it. You literally got to be on one of these property management software tools that is a partner of Google. Now, if you don't see your property management software tool on there, then I would be messaging them instantly to say, hey, when's it going to happen? And they will be adding more, and they've added a heck of a lot since I was last on this page. I would be paying very close attention to it, because at the end of the day, for me, this shows which channel managers, which property management software tools are ahead of the game in terms of product development, relationships they've built in the industry. So it's a telling sign to me if there aren't your property management software tool on there yet. Obviously, keep checking it back. This has been recorded October 2023. This product will be very different in January 2024 as it will be in June 2024, especially with generative AI becoming more of a thing, voice search, etc., etc. So for now, don't worry about it. If you see it on the list, brilliant. You can't affect it. You can't amend it. It's not like an Airbnb listing that you can change all of the things. There's no algorithms and that you can influence. It literally is feeding in your price, your pictures, pretty much it.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.